All right. Hi, everyone. So the question we asked is, what do we do if the equation is not in slope-intercept form? Well, so this is the equation that we just looked at. It's not in slope-intercept form, and so it's not immediately obvious what the slope and y-intercept are. So the answer is, well, we get it in y-intercept form. So that's what you're going to be practicing mostly today. So I'm going to show you the steps here, and then you'll get a chance to practice. So here's our equation, and remember, slope-intercept form needs to look like this. So the key is we need to get y alone on the left side of the equation. So I'm just going to color our y in red just to tell us what we want to get alone. Now, you're going to use all the equation solving skills that you've used in the past. So to get y by itself, we first need to get rid of the term that's being added on that side. And then we'll get rid of the thing that's being multiplied. So remember, we always get rid of the added term before the multiplied factor. So that's this one. We want to get rid of that, and the way we get rid of it is to subtract it from itself. And we do that to both sides of the equation. Now that makes this go away. Now we're left with 3y equals, and because I want it to be mx plus b, I'm going to just start by writing it in that order. The x term comes first, so negative 6x, and that's plus 12. Okay, so we're halfway there. We've gotten rid of the 6x, and now I'm going to do this in red again, just to remember we want to get y by itself. So the way we do this is we divide by 3. And now here's the key and where you will often make a mistake. And so the easiest thing to do is, if you divide by 3, you have to divide the other side by 3, but each term has to be divided by 3. So I just do that and do that. Okay, well this goes away because that's how we designed it. And now we're left with y equals negative 6 divided by 3 happens to divide evenly, which is how I planned it. If it doesn't, you can leave it as a fraction because our slope can be a fraction. But in this case, negative 2x. And then our y-intercept is 12 divided by 3, which is 4. Sometimes your y-intercept will end up being a fraction. That's annoying because it's hard to graph, so I will try and provide examples where the y-intercept is always a whole number, just for ease of graphing, but the slope is often going to be a fraction, and we'll see that in some of the examples you do. So there you go. That's how you do it, and we're going to practice now.